Today on Fly Rod Chronicles, the rumble in the jungle, we head to the Amazon to fish the Rio Negro River with the good folks of Hooked on Adventures and our friend Trapper Rudd. Come along as we catch monster peacock bass on the fly and visit with the locals. Stick around.
It's a life that I love.
We're on a little river, and right there's what she's about, boys.
Am I happy? Look at that! Welcome to Alaska! Woo-hoo, look at that! There he goes, Steve! Look at that, baby! Yeah! That's bigger than Dollywood! That is incredible, isn't it?
Hey, I'm Curtis Fleming. Come along on my journey as I pursue my lifetime passion for the art of fly fishing. Join my friends, special guests, and I as we explore waters both far away and close to home. These are my Fly Rod Chronicles. All right, welcome to Fly Rod Chronicles. Today I'm here with Trapper Rudd. Trapper, been hearing a lot about you, and it's great to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you, and I've heard a lot about you as well, so I think it's going to be a good pairing today.
I'm looking forward to it. So we're down here in the Amazon in Brazil.
Yep.
Doing what a lot of people dream about.
That's it.
Well, getting to the Amazon jungle is easier said than done. So real quick, we're going to rewind and show you a little bit of the journey to Brazil. Not good, man. As you can see, canceled right here. Not good. We're regrouping. Got a crazy blizzard out here. You know, for everyone out there who wants to do a hunting and fishing show, take this trip one time. Hopefully, when we turn around here, we're going to be in Brazil. Not pretty though. Looks like we're going to be spending another night in an airport. The blizzard forced us to camp out in the airport for a while. The crew didn't seem to have any trouble getting sleep, but I couldn't stop thinking about setting the hook on a peacock bass. Pound for pound, one of the strongest fish in the world. All passengers, welcome to American Airlines. Thank you for joining us today. We've been trapped here now for 32 hours. Well, after living in the airport for a few days, our plane to Brazil was finally ready. We were heading to the Amazon jungle to fish the Rio Negro River for peacock bass. Needless to say, we couldn't wait to leave the snow behind us and head for warmer waters.
Thanks for navigating. Appreciate you, man.
After a good night's stay at the Tropical in Manaus, we met up with David McCarthy with Hooked on Adventures and boarded the Amazon Santana. Wait, before you go up there, you got the most important thing on a Brazilian trip out here is the one thing that you do not go without is this. Them whatever lizard heads or goats behinds that we had last night put the booming on me. So I got 6 more of these tucked back in here. We'll be all right, James. You might want to hold on to that. All right. Hey, got my Curtis Fleming TFO reels and rods, 10 weights locked and loaded in here, and got the big boys right here, man. Packed, ready to go. Gummy bears. Let's hit it, baby. The first day out on the Rio Negro, we met our guides, Trapper Rudd and Coco.
And if you want to really achieve some success with peacock bass on the fly, this is the place to do it.
Very good. So we got Coco here. He's our main man today.
He's probably, a demigod amongst the locals. This guy knows everything.
All right, buddy. Well, let's get out there and get on some of these peacocks.
Well, let's jam.
All right. So do you guys leave a loop?
You can, yeah.
Because I never have. I'm just wondering.
I prefer, I think for this style of fish, the way they eat, a straight knot is a little bit better.
Yeah, that's where I'm at.
You get a little bit better hook set, I think.
Yeah.
We got some swallows out. That's a good thing.
Don't go anywhere. When we come back,
Trapper and I land some amazing fish.
Ooh, there he goes, there he goes, there he, big fish, big fish. Oh.
We got some swallows out, that's a good thing.
Ooh, there he goes, there he goes, there he, big fish, big fish. Oh, yes, sir.
Way to go, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Clear that line.
Is it best to get him on the reel trap?
Get him on the reel.
As quick as you can.
Yeah, then you can really use the reel to
Okay.
force him out of
I'm
there.
up here. Somebody got me caught. Whatever that stick is. Oh, man. Look, he's taking me to the woods, isn't he? Oh,
You got him out, you got him out. You're good, bud.
All right. That's my guy. Coco got me out of there, didn't he? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Trap, is that a good one?
That's a great one. That's a great warm-up fish right there, bud.
There you go. That's what second cast of the
Gotta
day
love
should be
those.
about right there. Oh, baby. Trap, you gonna come up here and wrestle this baby for us?
I'll give you a hand. Set my rod down here.
How awesome.
Way to go, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a nice one.
There we go.
He got me wet.
He did. Yes, he did.
The thing about these peacocks.
Yes, sir, baby.
Look at that.
Look at that.
This is a called an osu.
Okay.
Osu peacock.
Right.
You can tell the osus by these 3 distinct bars right here.
Okay.
So there's basically 3 different species that you catch primarily. The osus, the speckleds, and the butterflies.
Wow.
So you're on you're 1/3 of the way. Look at this false eye back here, isn't that neat?
Wow.
Isn't that neat? And the red. Now the males will get a big bump right here on the top of their heads.
Okay.
It's weird. It looks like the conning tower of a submarine.
Yeah.
And it's very distinctive.
Awesome. Awesome.
Look at that hook just fell right out.
Oh, man.
Way to go, buddy.
That's awesome.
Look
Let
at
me get
those.
a quick picture of that, James. Ooh. That felt hard.
Did you get a bump?
I think so.
Good. Maybe we're getting into them now.
An experienced fly fisherman like Trapper understands to throw a fall-up cast after a bump to get the strike.
Oh, there he is. You got him? Yeah. Yes. Way to stay with him. Good job. Turn him up, Trapper. Turn him up.
Oh, just trying to keep him out of the sticks.
Oh, he's going for it.
God, even the small ones just it's like they're on the juice.
Yeah. Yeah.
You just gotta wrench him out of there. He came right off that, another butterfly. He came right off that big tree trunk. Oh, look at the color in this guy.
Wow.
Having a hard time with the releases.
There he is. There he is. There he is. There he goes.
What did we just say?
You said, look at that logger. I seen him come up out of there after it too. That's awesome. Not a big one, but we'll take it.
We'll take it, buddy. Hey, man. That's really good.
That's pretty cool.
That's cueing the fish.
Yeah. Yeah. You just got done saying that was a great looking fly, right?
Yeah, I sure did. It looked really.
Ooh, what is it?
Jacunda.
Jacunda.
Yeah.
All right. So
Nice. They're beautiful.
do I stick my finger in his mouth?
Just grab them behind the head.
Behind the head?
I haven't seen one of those in a long time.
Oh, wow. Get you a picture of that, Jay. Oh, yeah. Good job, buddy. There you go. There you go, Trap.
More decent fish here.
That's what we wanted to see.
Thanks for the assist, my friend.
There you go, my man. How's that?
That's a speckled.
That's a speckled, huh?
Yeah. Beautiful speckled. They have these white horizontal kind of stripes on them.
Right, right. Look here, barely had him hooked in.
Look at that.
Huh?
Look at that.
Awesome.
Yeah. Amazing they can put that kind of a bend in a 9-weight.
Yeah, yeah.
Crazy.
It's awesome. All right, Coco, put him back. Let's just put him back. That's awesome. See ya.
Booking with Hooked on Adventures is a great idea if you want to do a peacock bass trip because you will have one of their luxurious yachts as a home base. Mobility is a key to reaching the remote locations for trophy fish, and on the Santana, we had all the comforts of home. After an enjoyable evening riverside on the yacht, we were ready to hop on the bass boat and hit the water. Welcome back to Fly Rod Chronicles as Hooked on Adventures owner and operator David McCarthy shows us around one of the local villages.
Well, Dave, I know you take several trips on Hooked on Adventures, and your group is in this area visiting villages.
Correct.
If they come and take your trip, do you encourage them to bring things to these kids?
Yes, we do. They always ask me, what can we bring for the villagers? You know, they know the kids love the candy. I also tell them if you want to bring stuff like children's aspirin, which they have a hard time getting, any kind of type of clothes can always be put to use, as well as school supplies.
Well, that's awesome. Well, thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
We've had a great time with you guys.
Yeah, I'm enjoying the classroom. See, I never spent much time in the classroom as a kid. I'm looking for the principal's office.
Yeah.
'Cause that's We stopped at a little local village here. As you can see, it's a working village out here in the jungle, in the Amazon. Got the kids and everyone in the back, and we're trying to get permission granted to go up into their private waters here. And they say the fishing's really good, so we're now talking to the tribal folks.
The folks ought to know, we pull up to this dugout canoe, and there are two little guys in there, and they're fishing with hand lines and a lure. And Curtis said, "Show me how to do that." And they cast it out and they reeled it back, or pulled it back. So he then took a fly rod and said, "Here's how the fly rod works." And that little guy was probably close to as good as we are.
Exactly,
when he did it the first time.
Yeah.
And so then you were kind enough to give those two little guys in the dugout canoe your fly rod. Does that mean you're going to use mine? You gave them your rod and reel,
Yeah.
and 10 flies.
That's awesome.
That was wonderful. I
Yeah.
mean, that's kind of what it's all about.
Curtis Fleming. That's my name. Now, you two share. That's yours. How do you tell him that's yours? That's yours. That's you. You share.
Oh, that's neat.
That's yours. You're welcome.
Neat, buddy.
Hey.
Going into the village was really a life-changing experience. It made me personally feel spoiled, thankful for my family, and thankful for what we have in America. Seeing how the locals make their living and live off the land makes your heart bleed for their everyday struggles and what they have to go through.
I got him.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Hog, too.
Oh,
He's a hog, buddy.
good job, brother. Come on, baby. That's a great fish.
He's a good one. He's not huge.
That's a great fish. Oh, yeah.
Well, maybe he is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Coco! Coco! Gotta move, bud.
Oh, yeah. He's a big daddy.
Gotta move, bud.
Get him out in the middle. Hey, what are you thinking now?
Break me off.
Oh, no. Whoa.
Oh, man, he's liable to break me off. This is King Kong Peacock.
Keep that rod tip up in the air, baby. Come on, baby. Woo. Amazon at its finest.
Come on in the jungle, John. Hey, he's close. He's close.
Here, hey, here, you want?
Coco! Whoa!
Hit this fish, there is no giving up. 8-weight fly rod, temple fork, put it to him, baby.
We almost had him then, and he took off again.
Can we split a Prozac?
Yeah.
Huh? Because I'm telling you, I'm about ready to have a nervous breakdown. Look at this big.
Oh! 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 Oh!
He said,
Holy cow, king! Oh!
that's a good one, huh? Come on, John. Lift him up here. That's it.
On the papa. On the papa.
What kind is he, Coco? Huh?
Bar. Grande.
Get it, get it, get it.
Grande. Oh! Hey! Hot dog! Look at that guy. Oh! I'm glad we didn't go back to the mothership.
Hey,
Whoa!
man.
On an 8-weight.
Are you happy?
Happy, man.
Good things come to good people, man.
Woo.
How big is he? Big.
18.
18?
I gotta get some pictures, Coco.
I'm serious. I can't take it no more. I can't even do it.
Oh, you're not going to do? You're not! He did! He did!
I love
Curtis, get out of there! There's piranha! Piranha!
Oh, I swear.
Give me a hug, baby! Hey, man! Look at that! Was awesome! That's what the fish did.
I love it.
Look what the fish did.
18-pounder on the fly rod.
Dang! Oh!
We got out of the jungle on the boat last night, and this is the airport in Barcelos, heading back to Manaus, and hopefully be in the U.S. here in about 8 hours. Flight's home tonight, hugging the families, waking them up in the middle of the night and tell them that we survived the rumble in the jungle down here in Brazil, in the Amazon. Thanks for hanging out with Fly Rod Chronicles. See you next week.